We're in October now. There's no chance in the world we got frogs going on. And I 100% can show you in person that they're not frogs. If you would like to come by any of my camps. I'm staying close in this camp right now because I'm getting lots of education for myself. Sorry I don't share it all with you guys, but it's the way it works sometimes. Man, I just looked down 325. Whew. Are you ever sometimes glad? Oh, I did push the... So make sure you're looking way back in the corner there, guys. But I did push the play button, record button. Sometimes you're going for minutes like that and you look and you don't